Hey guys, it's Mike from Image Wash Products. I have a confession to make. I religiously use Image Wash Products to wash my motorcycle. Okay? Been doing it for years, ever since I met Todd at Image Wash Products. Been learned the secret to having a good chemical and a good wash process, and how much easier it is to wash your vehicle, any vehicle for that matter. And that's what actually attracted me to join this company. So anyways, this is a little bit longer soap story of a video, but anyways. I'm going to use a little bit of the bug remover on there, on the windshield, and pretty much anywhere it catches bugs, which I'll show in just a minute. I'm going to probably foam on some degreaser on the undercarriage area where it gets hit hardest by the dirt and grime and what have you. And then I'm going to move on to the what we call Platinum Wash now, and we used to call Cherry Suds RV or Car Wash back in the time when we were Reflections Wash Products. And yeah, that just shows I've had this for quite a while, and a little goes a long way, and it works, and it'll work for a long time. These are some old foam cannons I've had for a while too. You can see they're pretty beat, but anyways, I'm gonna foam on the wash, or the Platinum Wash, give it a little bit of a scrub with my Chanel wash mitt and rinse it off, and then I'm going to come back and hit it with some wax replacement. I don't have the bottle for that, I just pre-mixed some, but hit it with the wax replacement and rinse that off and give it a dry. So anyways, here's the bike. I'll show you a little bit of this. Has not been washed this year yet, I'm not even gonna lie to you, okay? But I haven't ridden it that much either. But anyways, finally got some bugs here. Yeah, it's dirty. I'm gonna get it clean. I'm excited to share it with you though. Well, I showed you how the bugs are on there, right? Those are dried on there. They've been baked. Like I said, I'm just gonna spray liberally directly into the bugs everywhere that they are. And the point of this, again, bug remover, is to literally break down these bug remains. And like, you know, soap will take it off, but soap or bug remains are actually acidic. So you really want a alkaline based soap. So yeah, that's it. It pretty much just clears throat loudly. I just did a little bit more detailed spraying on the bugs, just because obviously I want to have both hands and not have to try to video it at the same time. Got a little bit crazier with it, got on those knot holes, but it's pretty dang clean. Anyways, I got my foam cannon hooked onto the end, and I'm going to try to degrease. I already got that puppy dialed into my favorite dilution, and yeah, here we go. Let's see how it goes. Got half of it degreased. Going on to the other side. You can already see it starting to work, and you don't have to do anything yet. That's white. That's brown, because it's pulling the brown out of the dirt tires already, doing the work for me. Letting the chemical do the work. Okay, other side, here we go. So again, I just try to keep the degreaser on the chassis area, just because, I mean, technically for how often I wash it, it wouldn't be the end of the world, but I don't recommend degreasing paint or delicate surfaces often. Pulls out the oils and protectants and what have you in there, so I try to just keep it to the chassis. Once in a while I'll degrease the whole thing, and it's not the end of the world, and I would if it was really dirty, but anyways, here we go, more brown. Look at that. Let's go somewhere besides the tires, which are obviously brown. Yep. That's soap on a motorcycle, isn't it? Okay, so like I said, I'm just going to go through, rinse the entire thing off real quick. I'm not going to really video that, it's not very exciting, and then we'll move on to the next step. I just finished degreasing, putting degreaser on there with the foam, rinsing it off, getting pretty detailed with it. Next step, I am going to use my Cherry Suds RV Wash, Platinum Wash, by Image Wash Products. to foam it on. I'm gonna hit it with my mitt, which is soaking in some more soapy water, and I'm just gonna mitt the whole thing as good as I can. I'm not even gonna get like super crazy. Here we go, top to bottom. Extra foamy because I want as much dwell time as I possibly can get, because I'm gonna mitt this whole thing as fast as I can. All right, here we go. Exciting times. Perfect. Wow. Again, I don't want to let the soaps dry on the surface, so luckily this is a really nice day. Not cloudy, pretty cool. So it's starting to dry in a couple places, so I got to get moving. And I should have known you never want to do the whole thing at once. Do it in sections. So I literally just sprayed the whole thing down just a little bit to get it wet again, because again, cardinal rule, do not let the surface dry. You don't want to let that soap get on there and cause soap scum that you have to brush off again. It's pointless. Now, since I'm going to go back with that wax replacement, I'm going to put a quick thin layer of that on, let it sit for about a minute, and then I'm going to rinse that off again, and we'll see what it does. All right, just finished washing off that wax replacement. Appreciate you guys watching. This is Mike from Image Wash Products signing out.